Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make your YouTube channel private. Private YouTube channel hides the videos and playlist of the channel from the public so that no one can see your videos or channels you are subscribed to. To make your YouTube channel private, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.youtube.com, then press on enter. With that, here you'll be taken to YouTube. Now make sure that you are logged into your YouTube account. Now on the left side you can see a bar. Scroll down and then click on the option of YouTube Studio. Then here you'll be taken to your YouTube Studio. Now here you can see your dashboard. On the downside you can see settings. Click on settings option. Then here you can see general setting. Now click on channel option on the second. Then here you can click on advanced settings option near basic info. Now scroll to down. Then you need to click on the option of manage YouTube on the down. With that, here you'll be directed to another page. Now here you need to choose on I want to hide my channel option on the first. You should not choose the delete option. Then here you need to click on the following points. Now here you can see that the following will be made private until you re-enable your channel name, your public video, your public playlist, your likes, your subscriptions to other channels, subscribers to your channel, comments and replies that you authored. Then you need to click on your data on the Google properties will not be removed option so that your data won't be removed and you can make your channel public if you want. With that, click on the option of hide my channel. Then again you need to click on the option of hide my content. This will make your entire channel private, including all your videos, and your playlist will be hidden. This is how we can make YouTube channel private. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.